Need to fix Spotify, something went wrong, try reloading the page, then you're on the right video. Today I'll be guiding you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, move into Safari on your device. In the address bar, you need to search for Spotify outage. Move into the very first site. Once you're in this page, you will be able to check whether the server of Spotify app is down or not. Sometimes the server might be down and it might be the reason that you're facing this issue. In this case, all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed. Once done, now move into the App Store on your device. Once the page loads, in the address bar, search for Spotify app. Move into this app right here. Instead of open, if you see the option of update, then simply click on update and update the app. Once done, move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, you need to move into general. Head over to iPhone storage. Once the page loads, search for the application Spotify. Scroll down and tap on Show All. Once found, click on it. Tap on Offload App. Once again, click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.